Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change iPhone passcode on iPhone 16e. To do it, go to Settings, then go to the Face ID and passcode, enter your current passcode, and then go to Change Passcode. Now enter the current one again and enter your new one. You can also, instead of 6-digit numeric code, set a 4-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. I'm gonna set it to a 4-digit one. Then I'm gonna click on Use Anyway. And it's set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.